Okay. So we have this integral right here, and we note that, so let's just think about solving, 1 second, blue. Let's just think about solving just this guy. So this integral from 2 to x minus 1 dx. Let's just solve this indefinite integral here. If we solve this indefinite integral, doing a u sub, you can change it, and it turns into 2 for u, and then dx just turns into du. And then this turns into what? 2 u to the 1/2 divided by 1/2, which is equal to 4 square root u, right? Plus c. And let's just change it back into 4 x minus 1. So this part, everyone knows this already, right? Now, this is where the improper integral part comes in, and we have to note that we have a limit. Now I'm going to do this in a different color. That this integral is equal to what? It's equal to this case over here. It is equal to this limit, and then I will write this as a approaches what? As a approaches infinity. 4, and then we'll have x minus 1 a to 3. So this is what we truly have now. Okay, now we're answering the problem. So what do we see? Well, we see that this causes us to see that 4 becomes a minus 1 minus 4, 3 minus 1. And then we see that a approaches infinity, right? So what does this become? It becomes 4 infinity minus 4 square root 2. And whatever this is, this doesn't even matter, because look at this. There's an infinity in here. This is just getting so big that we know that whatever this is, it's just getting so big, and this is just some number, but this is getting so big that this just diverges out to infinity. So it's divergent. There we go. That's our answer. Just like that. And yes, there you guys go.